You may have also encountered this situation. On a certain afternoon or evening, you want to repair a cherished item, but after searching through the toolbox, you couldn't find the right screwdriver bit. Or when using a manual screwdriver, it's easy to slip and even hurt your hands by twisting too hard. Therefore, we developed this 88-in-1 Pro precision electric screwdriver. The original double chuck is directly integrated onto the machine body. The 4mm version is used for repairing mobile phones, watches, and drones. The bit is locked at 360. It can handle tiny screws precisely and firmly. No wobbling or slipping. The one-quarter ones are for fixing laptops, home appliances, and toys. Just push and put and the switch in a sec. No need for an adapter. It comes with 85 drill bits, so you can easily handle both precision repairs and daily maintenance. All the screwdriver bits are made of S2 alloy steel. You know, their hardness reaches 5.8 HRC plus or minus 2. They're super durable and won't easily strip. The power part is a planetary gear motor plus an integrated metal gearbox. It has a torque of 0.1 to 0.5 Newton meters and a rotation speed of 220 RPM. When taking apart precision equipment, you need a kind of a twisting force, not the pushing force. It gently takes care of every screw on your beloved stuff. The foam body is made of all aluminum alloy in one piece. It won't rust or fade, and it feels really solid in your hand. Once you turn on the 4 LED lights, it'll light up all around, making it easy to align and tighten things steadily. This magnetic storage box keeps everything in one piece and super tidy. You can find what you want anytime you need it, and it won't take up space when you're not using it. There is also a design with a bit magnetizer and a magnetic screw pad. The 88-in-1 Pro is officially on Kickstarter. Thanks for your support.